What's happening, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how I propagate mulberry cuttings. It's been very effective, it's worked well for me, so I'm going to share that with you. We just had a little bit of a rain shower here, so things are all wet, but I'm happy because all of my trees got watered. Alright, so over here I found some wild mulberry trees growing, and I got some cuttings, and sure enough, I was able to propagate them all. So let's check it out. So these ones with the bags on them are only about 2 weeks old, and they already got some fresh growth growing. So that one, we got this one. Looks like every single cutting has some fresh growth, which is awesome. That's like a 100% propagation rate. And then this one over here is about three and a half weeks. I started from another tree that's in our neighborhood, and you can see they're all doing great. So that's a 100% propagation rate using this technique. It's not the only technique, it's the one I use, and it's working well for the mulberry. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do it. It's not that difficult. Let's get into it. Alright, so me and Isla went on a little bike ride, and now we came back to this public park here. And the reason we came back is because last time we came here, about a month ago, I noticed there was a wild mulberry tree growing. And here it is. It's a big boy. Does not look like the mulberries are ready yet, so we'll have to come back in like another month. But I'm gonna get some clippings and show you how I propagate these trees, how I've had success.
Oh, we found another mulberry tree, which is funny.
This is the same one, but I'm gonna get some good cuttings. So this one, I'm gonna get this cutting. Here's one. I'll get this cutting. Two. Alright, and what you're looking for, I don't know if you guys can see, these little nodes. You want some of those. So we're going to take all these home and put them in a pot and propagate them. So let's go home and do that. Alright, so we're back at the house now. I got my cuttings of my mulberry. This is what you're gonna need for the mulberries. I got 3 pots with some soil in them. I got my pruners, a razor, some rooting powder, and then some plastic bags. And I'll show you what all that's for. Alright, so step 1, pretty easy. Just snip off all the branches close to the main stem. Throw that in your composter. You see that little node right there? That's going to turn into leaves eventually, so I'm going to cut this. This one, you want it to be about at least 8 to 12 inches long, because you want half of it to be in the dirt. So I'm going to cut it here. We got 1, 2 pieces. Go ahead and get this other one trimmed. So right about there. Alright, so I got all my sticks here. And the next step, and this is optional, guys. You don't have to do this. This is just the way I've been doing it, and it works for me. So there's a million ways to do this. Some people will just take this, stick it in a pot of dirt, keep it moist, and it'll work. But I do it this way just to give it a little extra push. So what I'm going to do is trim off the outer bark here. So just very gently cut down, and then I'm going to cut all the way around with a knife or a razor here. And once you do that, you should be able to just peel this outer skin right off. Might not have cut deep enough here. And it should look something like that. And I'm going to do this for all my sticks. There it is. Peels right off. Alright, so one of the last things you do, take your rooting hormone and your stripped stick, get it all nice and in there, get the powder on it, and then I usually add about 3 sticks per pot. So there's one. Stick it down in there, a couple nodes down, keep it covered, good, and rinse and repeat with all of them. So rooting hormone, get it all nice and chalky, dig yourself a little hole, get it down in there, a couple nodes down, cover it up. The last steps, just get them moist. Get that soil nice and moist. And then you're going to cover them with plastic bags. So I'll show you that. Get this down. Like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Hey, it's Kitten. Kitten Nugget. What you doing, kitty? You wanna be in the YouTube video? What you doing? Crazy kitty. Come be in the YouTube video. You could be the next YouTube star with Panther. Alright, and that's it, y'all. Put it in a dark spot. I keep them in my garage, and I'll go grab some that I started 2 weeks ago. So these I started about 2 weeks ago. Same exact process. Been in the garage, and you can see it's already got little green shooting out. So on almost all of them. So we'll have 3 new mulberry trees shortly, and whatever those turn into. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if this process works for you. Like I said, this is just how I do it. There's multiple ways of doing this. Like I said, you can even just cut the cuttings like I did and stick them in some dirt, and they'll probably start growing. I just do it this way because it works. So anyway, appreciate it, everybody. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Say goodbye, kitten. Say goodbye, kitten. Meow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.